Good morning, everybody. Today is January 16th, 2020, and I would like to talk to you about the company to invest in this year. The name of the company is Six Flags, and it's an operator of amusement parks all over the United States and internationally. They're being traded under the stock ticker SIX at roughly $37 a share. This is a $3.2 billion company by capitalization, and it's actually a pretty old company. It was opened almost 60 years ago in 1957. In 1961, they opened their first park, which is a little bit north of Los Angeles, and it's the largest park among all the parks in the United States. They actually operate 26 different parks all over the United States, plus they're either building or operating parks in China, Dubai, and Saudi Arabia. The company has quite a bit of experience in terms of building roller coasters. They operate 145 roller coasters total, and obviously they're invited by different countries to build something similar. The latest developments that are pushing the price of Six Flags stock up is that in the flagship park, which is the one that is the first park north of Los Angeles, is opening a new division or a new sub-park called Underground Park. It will feature some pretty new, pretty exciting roller coasters called Apocalypsis roller coaster, which would be pretty fast. It would drive you around 60 miles per hour. It has four tracks. But the interesting thing is that each track will have 4 trains on the same track, so it's going to be pretty busy. But at the same time, hopefully the lines to ride this roller coaster would be pretty small because it will have a huge throughput. Right next to that roller coaster, they will have what they call the West Coast Racers roller coaster. And this is the roller coaster that would have 2 tracks side by side, and if you have a large party, then you could actually board 2 roller coasters side by side simultaneously and have kind of almost like a racing experience, which is, I guess, pretty exciting if you come in a group. So currently, Six Flags also implementing a pretty successful seasonal pass program. And what it means is that if you go to the park right now for a single day, you'll have to pay around $62. But they're really pushing you to buy tickets for the whole season, for the whole year. And since this is a Southern California park and we don't have winter here, that this park is open basically year-round, which is a great revenue stream for for this type of park, because most parks in other parts of the country are seasonable and they only open during the summer and they're closed for winter. So it makes sense to buy a season pass, which is only $92 per ticket, which means that just if you go to the park at least twice, you would already save yourself some money. Obviously, the park has all kinds of food and drinks and other games that you have to pay extra to actually play, which is another great revenue for the park. Because of the declining in general attendance of parks in the United States in the last 2 or 3 years, analysts were kind of skeptical about the performance of the company, and that's why the stock actually went down like 19% on Friday, last Friday, which was basically like 3 or 4 days ago. And you know, Six Flags was basically trading at the bottom of the 52-week range, but they bounced back because they announced that the opening of the park, of the new underground park, would not be delayed, and it would be actually on schedule in next couple of months. So this is an interesting and I think pretty exciting investment for 2020. So here's some more information. Again, it's traded under the ticker SIX at $37 a share, and I would recommend you to consider buying it for your investments for this year. If you would like to know what to do with the rest of 5,000 stocks being actively traded on US stock market, please download my app, which is located at the website 2stx.com, and it will take you straight to the Apple App Store, where you could download, install, and run this app on iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. If you want to see some other recommendations, please visit our Facebook page via the website facebook3.com. And also, if you would like to see some more videos with recommendations on what stocks to buy instead of reading, you could always go to our YouTube channel via the website gotyoutube.com, where you could see a lot more videos for other stock recommendations. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.